Sprinkle candles with cloves, and the result will amaze you. Start by preparing a pan and placing 3 plain white candles in it. Heat on low until the wax is completely melted. Once it's melted, use tongs to carefully remove the wicks. Next, get a decorative glass container to use as a mold for your candle. Slowly pour the hot wax into the container, then add 1 teaspoon of cloves. After that, add 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, which will not only give the candle a unique look, but also enrich its scent. Gently stir everything together. Prepare the wick by wrapping it around a stick and adjusting it to fit the height of the container. Once the wax has fully set, your candle is ready to use. Place it somewhere you spend a lot of time so you can enjoy its relaxing aroma. The combination of coffee and clove scents not only creates a cozy atmosphere but also helps with focus and relaxation. Many people also believe this blend effectively repels insects. It's a simple, natural way to keep your home smelling wonderful while protecting it from unwanted bugs. Rub a candle on your faucet. A surprising trick to keep your bathroom spotless. Just 1 candle is enough to protect fixtures from water stains and buildup. Faucets and other metal surfaces in the bathroom quickly get covered in white residue. As water evaporates, limescale remains, ruining the look of a freshly cleaned sink. Shower fixtures lose their shine almost immediately, but there's an easy fix. Candle wax. Use a light-colored candle and rub it over the faucet, especially in areas where water tends to collect. Then, take a dry cloth and polish the surface. This step spreads the wax evenly, creating a protective layer. The result? Water will bead up and slide off instead of leaving white streaks. Your faucet will stay clean longer, saving you from constant scrubbing. A simple trick that's definitely worth trying. My apartment smells so beautifully that you can even smell it in the hallway. It's a scent of cleanliness and flowers. No store-bought diffuser is as effective. Want your home to smell exceptionally beautiful too? All you need is 1 small container. Pour ordinary baking soda into it. Add 2 tablespoons of these little balls. They are scented laundry pearls. They have an extraordinary aroma. Mix them with the soda in the container. Take some baby oil and pour 2 tablespoons into the container. Mix everything again. The oil will activate the pearls and release their scent. Now you can add another ingredient. If you have your favorite essential oil, you can add a few drops to your homemade diffuser. But you can also add a few cloves instead, place them on top, or arrange them in a circle as I do. A few pieces are enough. Finally, add the sticks. Now, the whole thing looks beautiful. You can place such a diffuser anywhere you like. You'll feel like you're in a real spa. You'll always have a fragrant home. When the diffuser stops working, just make another one. Its cost is not high, but the effect is amazing. Keep a candle in your bathroom. It has a unique use that will make your bathroom look like new. All you need is a plain white candle to protect your bathroom. The best choice is an unscented paraffin candle. Start by rubbing the candle over the grout lines, pressing gently so the wax fully covers the surface. This creates an invisible protective layer that prevents water and dirt from seeping into the grout. As a result, mold won't have a place to grow, and soap scum and limescale will no longer build up. You'll see the effect immediately. The grout will have a slight shine, and water will bead up and run off instead of soaking in. Repeat this trick every few weeks to keep your grout in perfect condition. It's a quick and effective solution that keeps your bathroom looking fresh and spotless without mold, dirt, or limescale. You need to do this as soon as you notice mold around your windows. After this trick, your windows won't fog up and the musty smell will disappear. All you need is this simple method. Start by taking a bowl and pouring in 3 tablespoons of dish soap. Then add 1 cup of vinegar. It has disinfecting, antifungal, and anti-mold properties. Next, you'll need regular table salt, which absorbs moisture. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt to the bowl and mix everything well. Now take a few cloves and grind them, preferably using a coffee grinder. Transfer the ground cloves to a container. Boil some water and pour it over the cloves. letting them steep. Add 1 cup of this clove infusion to the bowl with the other ingredients, and mix well. Use a funnel to pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray it on window sills and the surrounding walls to prevent mold from returning. This will help absorb excess moisture from the windows, preventing condensation and keeping the seals mold-free. I've been using this trick in my home for years. This is a simple way to make your home smell clean and fresh. Additionally, it's a great method to keep your house free from insects and pests. I've never had such a lovely fragrance in my home before. Prepare a small bowl and some sea salt. Add 4 tablespoons of salt to the bowl and smooth it out with a spoon. Now, take a smaller bowl and mix 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol with 1 tablespoon of water. It's important to keep the proportions correct. Pour this mixture into the bowl with salt and mix thoroughly. The alcohol will prolong the effect of the air freshener. Press the mixture down firmly. Next, add a measure of your favorite fabric softener. Mix everything together and press it down again. Add 5 drops of eucalyptus oil. This oil not only smells pleasant, but also repels flies, mosquitoes, and ants. As an additional repellent, stick some cloves into the mixture. For us, cloves smell wonderful, but for insects, they're a natural deterrent. Now your air freshener is ready. You can place it around your home. The best spots are near windows, on tables, or in the bathroom. This air freshener will repel bugs from your home. They hate this scent. It costs next to nothing to make, and the effect is amazing. Your home will smell great for a long time. Light up some cinnamon. It's the secret of millionaires. In their homes, you can feel an extraordinary energy and the scent of wealth. And the method is very simple. Start by preparing bay leaves. They have their characteristic spicy scent. Crush them into a small bowl. They help to get rid of unpleasant odors in the home. Additionally, the scent of bay leaves repels insects. But bay leaves also have a calming effect. They eliminate stress and tension. Sprinkle a few tablespoons of salt on the leaves. Salt is the best product for perfuming interiors. Fragrances made with salt as a base are natural and long-lasting. But that's not all. Add cloves. Their scent improves mood and well-being. Few people know that they add positive energy and motivation. Sprinkle cloves with salt. Salt enhances the aroma of spices. Additionally, use your favorite fabric softener. The scent of bay leaves and cloves, although positively affecting us, does not have as intense a fragrance as fabric softener. Pour the cap and pour it over the salt in the bowl. Take cinnamon sticks and insert them into the container filled with spices and salt. Hotels and spa salons often use this trick to create an exceptionally rich scent and aroma. Light the cinnamon with a lighter or matches. Just light them a little to extract the best from this homemade diffuser. The extraordinary scent and positive energy that the spices used in it provide.